If you're signing on as a third mate without a proper handover, the situation can be incredibly challenging because you are responsible for critical areas like navigation safety, LSA FFE maintenance, and safety drills. Here's how to handle it effectively. Note, this is based from personal experience and there are other points existing, but these are just the noteworthy ones. For navigation and voyage planning, verify the current position. Immediately check the ship's position, course, speed, and any active alarms on the ECDIS and radar. Inspect the passage plan. Review the existing passage plan to ensure it's complete and compliant. Pay attention to waypoints, safety contours, and depths, route checking status, cross-check manually if needed. Check navigational equipment. Ensure equipment like the ECDIS, GPS, radar, and AIS are functioning. Note any deficiencies. Update charts. Confirm all paper and electronic charts are up to date. If uncertain, prioritize the current route and immediate areas. For LSA and FFE, inventory inspection. Conduct a thorough inventory of lifeboat, life rafts, life jackets, and pyrotechnics. Ensure they match the SOLAS requirements. Maintenance records. Review the PMS for LSA and FFE. Note any overdue inspection or maintenance. Critical checks. Inspect fire extinguishers and fix fire systems, CO2, foam, etc. For example, confirm the emergency fire pump and hydrants are operational. Coordinate with the engineers as well. Number 3, for safety responsibilities, safety drills. Determine the schedule for the next drills. If none are planned, coordinate with the master to set one up. Check drill register or schedule as well. Crew familiarization. Verify the crew's familiarization records, especially for emergency duties. Ensure you're clear on your role in the muster list as well. Safety meetings. If recent safety meeting minutes are unavailable, organize a brief meeting with the crew to review critical points like fire safety, abandoned ship procedures, and then close-spaced entry. Coordinate with chief mate and master on this matter. Number 4, communication and documentation. Contact the previous third mate if possible. Try reaching out via email or social media or through the company to ask about unresolved tasks or ongoing issues. Inform the master. Report any major gaps or immediate concerns to the master for support and guidance. Review records. Check the logbook, handover notes if any, and recent inspection or audit reports for insights into the ship's condition. Number 5 is bridge watchkeeping. Familiarize yourself with bridge equipment. Identify the operating procedures and peculiarities of the ship's systems. Take over with caution for the first few watches. Be extra vigilant with traffic management, compliance with call regs, monitoring weather, and tide information. For example, number 6 is build rapport with the team. Ask for help. Seek guidance from the chief officer or second mate. They can provide valuable insights into your duties and ship operations. Learn from ABs as well. The ABs on your watch may know practical details about equipment or routines on board. Number 7 is prioritize and stay systematic. Focus on immediate concerns. Navigation safety, LSA FFE readiness, and compliance with the regulations should come first. Update the master and chief mate regularly about your progress. Number 8, lastly, leave better for the next person. While handling the challenges of a poor handover, ensure you document everything thoroughly for your eventual reliever. A detailed handover note will prevent the cycle from repeating. Again, this is based from personal experience and there are other points existing, but these are just the noteworthy ones.